Gurudev in the Super Memory program. എൻ്റെ പേര് അഭിജിത്ത് എന്നാണ്. ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ് 9 വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയാണ്. Today I am going to explain Geography Class 8 first chapter Resources. Resources. Utility or usability is what makes an object a resources. Something which utility or usability has value. Value means worth. Time and technology are the two important things for making a resource. There are many types of resources such as natural resources, human-made resources, human resources. Natural resources are the resources which we obtain from nature without much modification. There are two types of natural resources: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are resources which can replenish quickly. Meanwhile, the non-renewable resource cannot replenish quickly and takes thousands of years to replenish back. Human-made resources. Human-made resources are the resources which are made by human, modifying the natural resources. The human resources are the ultimate resources because they, with the technology, skill, and education, they can create other resources. Sustainable development. Balancing the need to use resources and giving them time to get renewed for future is sustainable development. And resource conservation. Using the resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Chapter 7, the human resources. Human resources. Humans are the ultimate resource in the world because humans, with the technology, skill, and education, humans can create other resources which are very good for our world. Okay. I'm going to explain the distribution of population now. The distribution of population is very uneven because at some the plains have more the population than other plateaus and mountains. So because in our world only 30% of the land is available for humans. In these 30%, almost 90% of the people live in plains. Other people live in mountains, slopes, and plateaus. So there's only little population in the plateaus, mountains, etc. Now I'm going to explain what is the factors affecting the distribution of population. The factors affecting the distribution of population are first is the topography. With alluvial topography, more population will be there, and with less alluvial topography, rough topography, there will be less people living in that area. Second thing, a factor affecting the distribution of population is the climate. In this, the people mostly like to live in normal climatic conditions other than high hot regions such as Sahara deserts or other high cold regions such as the Antarctica. Okay. The next thing I'm going to explain is the soil. In the people like to live where is alluvial soil available. It helps them for agriculture, etc. Next thing is water. People like to live where fresh water is available. The examples are the Nile in Egypt and Ganga Brahmaputra in our India.
Jay Gurudev from Super Memory program. എൻ്റെ പേര് വൈശാഖി. ഞാൻ 10th ക്ലാസ് പഠിക്കുന്നു. Today I will discuss about geography, first chapter, resource and development. Resource and development, there are many resources which we access in our daily life. The resources are categorized into 4 major groups. On the basis of origin, it is categorized as biotic and abiotic. The biotic means that whichever things which have a life. Abiotic means that non-living things like fossil fuels. Second is on the basis of accessibility, which is renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources is like water and solar energy. Non-renewable things is which minerals. On the basis of ownership, it is categorized as 4 types: individual, community, national, and international. Individual means that it is a private property owned by a single person. Community means owned by a group of people or a village or a community. National means it's owned by the country and regulated for the public use. International means that regulated and used owned by 2 or more countries like ocean and ocean banks, etc. On the basis of development, it's categorized as 4 types: potential, developed stock, reserves. Potential means that a resource which belongs to a specific region. Developed stocks means that whichever stocks which for its quality and quantity is surveyed by a group of people or by the government. Um, Stock means that environmental resources which can satisfy the human needs. Water resources. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, and only a few part of that water is fresh water which can get put to use. The water resources, the availability of water resources varies from region to region, which may affect in the water scarcity. In the northern region, there are scanty rainfall is available. The water scarcity depends upon the rainfall, annual precipitation, and other geographical factors. In Rajasthan, there are scanty rainfall, so they take the people carry pots and take water from the farer ponds or some wells. Um, they used to done a rainwater harvesting system called rooftop harvesting, where each house is built with a tank in the rooftop, and the tank is connected to the pipeline in the underground tanker. Whenever the rain falls, the water is collected in the tank and it is put to the underground tanker. Whenever a water scarcity appears, they use the underground. Agriculture. In India, most of its population depends upon agricultural works. In India, most people are engaged in doing the agricultural works. So India is rich in agricultural activities. There are cropping patterns, crop production methods, and there are some farming methods: intensive subsistence farming, primitive subsistence farming, and commercial farming. Most of the states people do commercial farming for their daily use, daily earning. There are some major crops in India, such as rice, maize, pulses, oilseed, tea, coffee, and non-food crops are rubber. There are other agricultural practices for high yielding. Hybridization is also done in the field to get high yields in more crops.